All right.
She hears you.
So,
Say hi, Leslie. Megan, say hi.
hi, everybody.
Hello.
Okay.
So today, what
Okay,
me and
Mama.
Sean
Say hi.
have for you guys is the color wheel. So, I first want to talk about primary and secondary colors, and then we'll get onto our experiment. So, do you know what the three primary colors are?
Orange,
Orange. You could just guess them, and I'll tell you if you're correct.
green,
Green.
yellow.
So you got 1 out of 3.
Oh wow.
So you got yellow. So it would be blue, yellow, and red.
Okay.
So with those 3 colors, it basically means that you could make any color.
Okay.
So with those three colors, then we get secondary colors, which are orange, purple, and green. Now, do you know what happens when you mix red and yellow together?
Yellow? Not really.
No. What would be your guess?
My guess when you mix red and yellow and make it, I don't know.
You don't know, just guess a color.
Brown.
Brown, that's a good guess. What about red and blue? What color do you think that would make?
Orange.
Orange, all right. And then green and yellow.
Green and yellow. Purple.
Purple, all righty. Now we are going to find out if those are the colors that we'll make. So let's put your guesses to the test. So for this first part, we need blue, yellow, and red.
Mm-hmm.
All right, now I'm gonna have you fill these up halfways, okay?
Halfway. Okay. Tell me when to stop because I don't know when.
All right. And that's fine. And that's fine. That's fine.
Got those right.
That's fine. Just how many you can.
Oh my
That's
god.
fine. You're okay. And that's fine right there.
There we go.
There we go. Alrighty. So then I'm gonna add a splash of milk, and this is just because we want the color to be as vibrant as it can be. And sometimes when we just mix the food coloring with just the water, it'll darken the colors.
Mm-hmm.
So. Yeah, cool.
Yeah, that's cool.
Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna have you do the blue.
Okay.
Let's do first like 2 drops of the blue. See how dark that gets.
One. Oh
One.
god.
No, you're fine.
2.
Alrighty. Okay, and then I want some fun, so I'm gonna do yellow.
Okay.
Alrighty. Right, and then would you mind grabbing a spoon just so we can throw it in the
Okay.
seeds?
I'll be right back.
All right, thank you. And then the last color would be red.
Here you go.
Thank you. Oh, that I added a lot of red. Okay, so let's just mix these. And let's flip these over so that we can see it after.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise I can't see it. It's nice blue.
Mm-hmm.
It's yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And then the red. So then do you remember what these 3 colors are?
Red, yellow, and blue.
Do you remember if they are primary or secondary colors?
I'm not.
They're the primary
Primary.
colors. So with these colors, these three colors, we make secondary colors.
Mhm.
So then it would be orange, purple, and green. So then let's do the red plus yellow.
Mhm.
Okay, so then we're gonna add on this side.
Mhm.
You want to add, let's do 1 dot of the red.
Okay.
Perfect. So then red and yellow. So then I think your guess for this color, I think you said it was gonna turn out brown. I believe that's what you
Mhm.
said. So let's see what happens. when you
Where
mix
at? Not,
The
not
same one, yeah.
1 drop.
Yes, that's perfect.
There we go.
Thank you. Okay, we're gonna turn it around so you guys can see what color it's gonna come out. And it's this one right here in the corner. Want to give that a stir?
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, and then I think we're supposed to add a bit more of yellow, so let me
Okay.
add that. Okay, go ahead and mix. Oops. Sometimes you have to have different ratios for the colors. So
Uh,
what color does that kind of look like to you now?
orange.
Orange, yes. So do you remember what two colors we mixed to get orange?
Uh,
It was these two. It was
red and yellow.
yeah, so red and yellow being primary colors made a secondary color, which is the orange.
Right.
All right, now we are doing red and blue. Let's do one
1 red.
red and one blue, and then we'll see if we need more, just to kind of adjust the color.
1 red. There.
Awesome.
Put the lid back on.
Yes, because it could get very messy.
Yeah.
Here you go, and then one blue.
There.
And then I forgot what color you said. I think you might have said blue, green.
Yeah.
So let's see what color. Is that still your prediction? You think it'll turn green?
Yeah. I'm
You're not sure? Let's see. Turn it this way.
Oh my god.
All right, go ahead. Ooh. Looks like Gatorade.
Yeah. All right.
All right. So then what color did it make, Sean?
Purple.
Purple, yes. And did you remember what two colors we just used?
The red and the blue.
Yes, correct. So the red and the blue again being primary colors,
Mhm.
mixing them, and that made purple, which is the secondary color. So then we have one more, and we said the green and the yellow.
Mhm. Green. 1 drop, right?
Mhm. And I believe your guess for this was purple, but we already got purple. So,
Ah.
so let's see what color it makes.
Ooh, that was too much. But
You're fine.
yellow. From my hands. I'll stir it.
All right.
Getting ready to stir. Green.
Green.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. Let's add a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
Let's add a little bit more blue to this. So now we're mixing into like different kind of shades. So you could get darker shades. For example, this is a darker green. Once we add blue,
Mm. Oops, sorry.
you're okay. So yes, the last secondary color is green.
Okay.
So the three first primary colors are blue, yellow, red, and
Mhm.
then the secondary colors are orange, purple, and green.
Mhm.
Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna have fun and we're gonna mix all the colors together to see what color comes out. So
Okay.
what would you like to mix with the orange? What color?
I think green.
Green. Let's see what comes out of that.
Okay. 1 drop, right?
Yeah, how many? All
There.
right. That's
That's the one
gonna
I
be
know.
a dark one.
It's-
What's your guess before you mix them?
Okay. So I put that's orange and green.
Green, yeah.
Purple, maybe.
Purple, maybe. I'm thinking, yeah, maybe a purplish, brownish color. Yep, that turned brown pretty fast.
Dang. That's cool.
It is cool, right? It changes right before your eyes.
Yeah.
Now we have the red, and I want to try mixing it with. Let me see. Should we try 2 colors?
Yeah. Maybe we should.
Maybe these 2.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
You
we're
can put them
gonna
in
try-
if you would like to. Or oh, I'm supposed to be helping them.
Yep. I mean, we
Okay.
could both do 1 drop. Yeah.
Okay. All right.
So here's 1 drop of green.
Blue.
Perfect.
Hmm.
Good job, Sean. All right. And did you want to mix that?
Oh yeah. This one, right?
Yes. Ooh, that's a nice vampy color.
Yeah.
So it's more like a cranberry kind of color, right?
Mm, Yeah.
That's awesome. Okay, now the yellow. Dun, dun, dun. What color did you want to mix
Mm,
into that one?
green and blue.
Green and blue. There you go.
Into the what?
Into the yellow.
I'll start with green first. 1. Oh,
Thank you.
blue. There we go. Ooh, it made it like a green color.
Ooh,
That's cool. Like that.
that's a really nice color.
Mhm.
Did you want to try adding more
Yeah.
more of maybe a blue or a green? Would you like this to be a bit greener or a bit blue?
A bit blue. I'll
Alright.
do a little bit more blue.
Let's see if we could make like a
Mhm.
nice aqua color. So we have this one that kind of looks like aqua, but I want to see like that blue green.
Yeah.
If we could try to make that.
Can I use this part
Go ahead.
instead of?
What do you think? Maybe a little bit more blue?
Yeah. Squeeze. Tap. There we go. But maybe it's easier this way. I don't know.
Go ahead. In whatever way. It's easier for you. That's a really pretty color.
Okay.
I don't think the camera does it justice. It
Yeah.
looks really pretty in person.
Yeah.
It looks a bit darker on the screen.
Mhm.
Okay, now we have this blue.
You
What
can
color
mix
did you-
color. Me and you both can mix some colors in.
Alrighty. What color did you want to mix that with?
Should we try yellow and red?
Ooh, okay. So we know that mixing blue and red will make purple, but
Mhm.
adding yellow, I wonder what color that's gonna
Yeah, I don't know. Which one?
be. The blue one?
Okay.
Did you want to mix that one first just so we could see it turning purple?
Yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, I changed it right before your eyes. Oh, that's a really pretty purpley blue.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, what's your prediction if we add the yellow to the purple?
Oh God. I don't know.
I want to say maybe a lighter purple or maybe like a brownish purple.
Okay.
Let's see. The purple might be too overpowering and we might not even see much of a change.
It doesn't look like a change.
No, should we add just a little bit more?
Yeah, add just a little bit more.
Whoa. Let's see what happens. Okay. I think it actually turned darker,
Yeah.
more like a brownish color,
Yep.
like a very like true grape. Now I kind of want to add some white to this, some milk.
Okay.
So what happens when we add or mix white with our paints? Do you know what that?
No, not really.
So let's see what happens.
Okay.
Let's see what happens to the purple. Stir that in.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see any change happening?
I see that it's brown or
It's
black.
brown. Feel like you're able to see the color a little bit better,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
That's because once you add white
Mhm.
to your colors, it lightens up the color.
Oh,
So
that's
for
cool.
example, we made this very nice cranberry color. Let's see what happens once we add this. Yeah. You're fine.
Still makes it kind of reddish.
Yeah, it lines it up just a little bit here. Let me see.
Oh, that's cool. Made it like reddish pink. That's cool. That is cool.
So let's see with this dark green what happens. Oh wow,
Wow.
it looks pretty cool
Mhm.
on the top view because you can see the milk mixing in with the colors.
Still makes it green. What?
Yeah,
Lime
but-
green.
Yeah, it's a lighter green, right?
Mm-hmm.
And now
There we
the
go.
colors are mixing. You see that?
Yeah.
Okay, let's maybe try this one right here. This brown. It looks like gold to me.
Yeah,
that
it
brown.
does.
And you forgot what colors we mixed to make that. I think it was the purple and the yellow, maybe.
Yeah.
Let's see. Oh God, that's. Let's see what color that makes.
Oh, wow.
So that's kind of like a green, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what happens if we add just a little bit more.
Oh, God, it's going to get all in there in the other. Oh, wow.
Yeah, so
see.
it does lighten up the color, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Did you maybe want to try to mix this one into that one? See what happens?
Mm.
Maybe try to use the spoon side.
Okay, what do I do?
Just scoop it into.
Red one?
Yes, let's see what happens. We mix those.
Oh, my. Geez.
It is messy, so it's a good thing we did this outside.
Yeah. All right.
Well, it's not much of a change,
Yeah,
but
it's not.
I think all of our colors are pretty much murky now because of
Yeah.
all the mixing that we did. But let's just do a little recap.
Yeah.
So, do you remember the primary colors?
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, let's see.
Primary colors were blue,
Yes,
orange,
close.
red,
Red, yes.
purple.
No.
I,
It was blue, red, and yellow, but high five because that's one more than what we started, right? You got one more right.
mhm.
And then for the secondary colors, it was orange, purple, and green.
Oh,
Yeah, so
okay.
do you remember what red and yellow makes? What's the orange?
It's the orange.
Yeah, so red and yellow is orange. Red and blue, do you remember that one?
Red and blue was
It's right there.
purple,
Yes, and then yellow and blue was all of these three.
green.
Green, yes. So yes, primary and secondary colors. So I hope you guys learned a lot about the color wheel. Did you learn more things that you thought you did? All right. Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was awesome.